Another website that I found is PhET. It is from the University of Colorado in Boulder. It is interactive simulations that can allow students to explore interests when it comes to like math and science topics. I think it is important that our students get to witness these things, and I think it's also a way for students to be able to transfer information from paper to whatever piece of technology we are using to create a deeper connection with that content with the connections in our brain. This website has teacher-created lessons that you can use, as well as the simulation. Let's click on this link and we will head to this specific simulation, or to this library. They have so many different topics in math. Let's click on fractions introduction. This is something that I would have my students work on. On the For Teachers tab, there are wonderful lessons that different teachers or people with the University of Colorado have created. They have the grade level specified. And I actually downloaded this 3-day fractions unit that shows different pieces of how to use this. Let's sign in here real quick. Open. And it will walk you through step by step very detailed lesson plans. Like, you could leave these as sub-plans for your students to work on. This specific thing reaches a 3rd grade math standard, which is something that I would go back and review with my 4th grade students. So it walks through very specific and explicit directions. There's even suggested language of what to tell your students, which would be great if you have a substitute in the event that you are gone. There are student worksheets that they can fill out to show that they are connecting the technology to the physical thing that they can touch, which in this case would be the pencil and paper. So let's come back to the simulation here. We're going to click play. And let's say you are going to we'll be introducing. So here it is. Let's say that you want to build a pizza with 8 slices in it. So you could tell your students to show you half of a pizza. And they would just simply click and drag the pieces until it is half full. And then they could draw that on their paper, and then they could also write the fraction. There's the circles. They could use bars, vertical bars, a cylinder if you want them to work on filling and measurements. There's cakes, and then there's just a simple number line as well that you could expand out to create mixed numbers and improper fractions for students that are more advanced and ready to go there.